everyone, and welcome back to Emkin Gardening. Today we're going to be putting together some simple hanging baskets for our back deck pergola area. We kind of have a tropical-like vibe going on in that space. We have two red mandeville vines that are already growing up. So it kind of gives us that tropical feel back here, which is great during the summer. So to add to that, we are going to be putting together some Black-Eyed Susan vine arrangements. I know a lot of you know about just Black-Eyed Susan, the perennial. This is an annual vine version of that, and it comes in 3 different colors from Proven Winners. And we're really excited about kind of adding to the viney tropical feel in our backyard. So let's take a closer look at the plants. Okay, so starting out, we will show you the coconut A-Peel from Proven Winners. And this is just a pretty matte white bloom with a nice dark throat, brown throat like a coconut. And then right beside it, we have the lemon A-Peel, another really striking yellow color with a nice brown throat. And then the last one from Proven Winners is a Tangerine Slice A-Peel. And this one has a more burgundy, starts out with a more burgundy with an orange kind of border, and then it fades into more of like a creamsicle type color. These vines are vigorous. They grow 8 feet tall by 2 feet wide. You can put these in the landscape, but just make sure you have a really tall trellis behind them so they can grow somewhere. Otherwise, they're just going to grow into your flower bed and wrap themselves around other plants, which, if that's the look that you're going for, would look really cool. We are going to pot up one of each variety in the hanging basket pots. Now these are actually reused hanging basket arrangement pots. We had picked these up, I don't know, a year or 2 ago with already made arrangements in it. So we just kept them. They're about a 12-inch diameter, and we're going to reuse them, and these are what we're going to use. So we're going to pot up one coconut A-Peel, one lemon slice, and lemon A-Peel, and one tangerine slice A-Peel. Most of these came with some type of staking, and so I'm going to make sure that each plant has a little stake to kind of help guide it. And then when we put the actual hanger hook on it, I'm going to help guide these and kind of wrap them up around the anchors to make sure that they have somewhere to go. I would not hate if these become out of control and like start going up and over our pergola or in between. I'm okay with them kind of doing their thing. So to prep the pots, we did our normal potting mix, then we added our Biotone starter fertilizer in, and then we mixed it in. I'm a sucker for big, vigorous, blooming vines. It's always my thought when I see a chain-linked fence. I'm like, oh, you need to put a Black-Eyed Susan vine there because it's going to just bloom non-stop. These guys are heat tolerant, drought tolerant. They rebloom, you don't need to deadhead them, and they're going to bloom all the way until frost. So that's a long blooming cycle. It's super exciting. Okay, so we're gonna pot these up and then show you where they're going to live for the whole summer and fall. Here we go. for the hanging baskets, made sure it was secure. And then we also, you probably saw, I did top dress the top just to make sure all of the root ball was covered when we planted it. Now I'm going to kind of show you how we're going to guide these vines up. So I'm really just kind of put them up kind of through the little holes up here. And allow them to kind of start pulling themselves upward instead of trailing down is the goal. Stick that guy through a hole. Alright, I just wanted to pause for a second to show you how cute these little pockets are before they unfold. They're like little puffy balloons. How cute is that? And it is okay to let the vines fall down, and I'm sure many of them will fall down and kind of be vining downward, which is totally fine. We kind of like that really tropical look. All right, now we're going to hopefully have that be the encouragement that they need to vine upwards. We're going to water them in and then place them in their homes. All right, thank you so much for watching. This is where one of them is going to live, and it's mirrored on the other side. So hopefully it is encouraged to vine out everywhere, onto the pergola, hanging on the pergola, going up and over the pergola. We're just really excited about this look. So if this inspired you to maybe try out a Black-Eyed Susan vine from Proven Winners, we would highly suggest doing so. They're so versatile and you can use them in so many different settings, and they're just beautiful. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel and comment down below, and we hope that you're having a great day.